Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe video update. Today we're looking at Pepe down at 16,000. I gave you a technical target that 19,000 is somewhere we might lose, and if we lose the 19,000 then we're looking for a dirty retest, which was somewhere here and actually somewhere right there. So we still are yet to see if there's any progress, and the progress is yet to be seen as of Pepe right now. People are losing money. I do get a lot of messages on Twitter, and they're probably telling me that, hey, should I close my trades and this and that. Now, unfortunately, due to the nature of your money being your money, I cannot really tell you what to do, even if I wanted to tell you what to do, because if I had to tell you what you have to do, you got to follow my full step from the top to bottom, because I have a different type of money, you got a different type of money, and you have different expectation in your mind. I know, due to my experience, what you should be doing, and I do tell people what they should do. I've told a couple of people what they should do, but if they accept me to tell them what I should tell them to do, and they don't have any issues with that. So yeah, it comes with an agreement that, yeah, okay, fine, at least yeah, the knowledge, experience does pay off. I'm not saying this because I want to brag about it, but experience does actually help people. Someone's experience in the market can actually end up being helpful, so I'm there for that. Now here we go, and you got this one little bit of a left shoulder that they're trying to create, and we as I spoke before, you got a little bit of an Elliott wave theory going on. This is the first wave, second one, the third one, the fourth one, and you potentially are looking for the fifth one all the way to the downside. So if you get the fifth wave all the way down, then we're looking for quite a discount actually, and in my opinion, after this one you might end up pushing up a little bit. But what I'm afraid of is a move all the way down here, and when you move down right there, you try to consolidate up and down, and then you go down all the way like this. So that basically creates this left shoulder. You got the whole head here and the right shoulder right there, and this is your neckline down here. So we got the first place that I of course want to see if it's going to hold or not is if it comes down right over here. Now, on another note, people might have their stop losses here, okay? And I'm pretty sure that Pepe is looking to take the stop losses down there, because we're so close to take the stop loss over here. And once you take the stop losses down there, remember, in the next 40 hours, you're about to close this one candle. And when you close that one candle in the next 40 hours, we got something known as a 3 black rows. So one candle, red, second candle, red, third candle, red, and these 3 candles are going to combine to make something known as 3 black rows. If you don't know that, I do have a technical analysis course, which is 18 hours long, where you can learn in detail, great detail, all of this stuff. And once you make this third red candle, you're making a continuation pattern. So that means that the prices might keep on pushing to the downside. Equally, there's one more thing about the rule of 3 black rows, and that is, if you basically come above the first red candle, that is going to invalidate this scenario of actually going down. So we do desperately need to see the prices coming above actually 21,000. So 21,000 is invalidation. You're sitting at 16,305, ignoring the zeros and all. So we need to get above 21,000, honestly, with all due respect here. So yeah, I'm looking at this level down here at what is this going to be, like 12,000? Yeah, so I'm looking at 12,000 being a place where we might end up having a little bit of a support. I don't know if the EMAs are actually there. Yeah, so keep one thing in mind, that on the 4-hour time frame, we are about to make a bear cross. Now, like we made a bull cross here, and you pushed up and you kind of really held your the EMAs, you really held the EMAs. You're now losing the EMAs. You're equally making a bearish candle to go to the downside. So be very careful. Technicals doesn't say that there's any strong buy going on. In fact, there's selling going on. There's pressure of maybe the first investors taking their profits out. Of course, they're going to be taking it's pretty much understandable and clear they're going to be selling at this point. And that's it for this update on Pepe. If you want to get to know a coin that can actually pump in the near future and give you some little bit of profits as well, message me on Twitter, and I'm going to tell you free of cost. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.